Sunant, this is the IREO company's project here on Golf Course Road, which Mr. Dhingra has shown me. Extreme right side block is of 31 building story, and here two bedroom set is available in this building in the middle. It may be 14 or it may be a 15. It's a 31 building story, and 31 building story almost made one or two lift is yet red. So in the middle there's a one saleable flat which I am sending you very soon through movie. This is in block B. Okay, this is the you can come, and this is the construction of this company is going in full swing, and the rates, everything, it is left to this is a Tata group is coming. Tata group is coming, and then left side is the Aravali Hills, and this construction is going. This is a 31-story building in B block, where one flat is available for you. Somewhere it may be 14 or 15 or maybe 16. He is not sure which story, and their construction. The construction is going on full swing. Okay. Yeah. This is the arc type. The pamphlet which he has sent you, Mr. Dhingra has already sent you, and that arc will become you are seeing in the middle some construction is going on. That's a club. That's a club building, and they are going to, after construction, the one stair is going right side, and they are going to join to make the arc like what you had seen in the brochure which we sent to you. So they are going to join the two buildings and looking like an arc, and these two story what one showed you, it is a 31 story. It's in the middle is available. This is left side. This is also 31 story on the road main. It is 31 two story. Here what Mr. Dhingra has told you, this is a block J. That was block B in the middle, and here is a block J. Now here the work progress is going on in full swing. This is the both block B and block J. We have come on the block J. You can see here, I am showing you block J. This is block J. Okay, here you got a duplex. You will get a duplex. That means ground story plus first floor, and its rate is separate. It will come to you through another details. The ground story and the first block, that's called duplex, are coming up. The construction is on full swing. I don't know where it will say. It total 8 story. This is a total 8 stories coming up. 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7 will be in this, and that is the 31. Its rate is separate. Opposite to this, back side, it's on the road. In front of this block J is a road here, and this is a 60 feet. And from you can see the IREO office. This you can see IREO office, and we can note down something though. The rates etc. will be quoted to you separately, and you can judge. You can judge yourself. This is a double road. This photo is not coming to me. Photo is not coming clearly. But this is the building. This is a gate. This is a store. Behind this, there's a Tata group of something coming up, and behind that is the Aravali Hills. This site is good. It is just not very far from Blair. It's not very far from Blair. Okay, see you.